If you want to eat crayfish the Singaporean style, this is the video for you. Hi, my name is SD from SD in Sweden. I'm a calm, practical prepper located in North Sweden. My inspiration from food comes from the nature. When subscribing, don't forget to put the notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. We're gonna make crayfish. This is the crayfish season, so I thought jump onto live and show you guys how to do my version. My version is something like the Singapore chili crab version. So in Sweden, we never eat that way. So I'm going to introduce this way of cooking in Sweden. Hopefully some of you guys might like it. So we got our crayfish. Don't wash it. Remember, don't do that because when you do that, you're losing the flavors. So I'm going to introduce you to my ingredients. You need 1 egg. Sounds crazy, right? So make sure you stay tuned until the end. 1 egg, and then we need to do this like a very rough paste. So over here I have some garlic, ginger, some green chili, and some spring onion and some red onion. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna pound this and make this like a very rough paste. And also you need some tomato sauce and some sweet chili sauce. I'm going to start off by pounding this garlic and ginger. And then some garlic. Then I'm going to pound just half of my green chili and some of my red onion. Okay, I'm going to pound the rest of the chili, which is a green chili. The half of the red onion, I'm going to just stir fry them. You'll see what I need later. This is all pound out already. As you can see, it's not so smooth, it's quite rough, so you can stop here if you like. Otherwise, you know, if you feel like pounding more and train more of your muscle, you can continue, but I think I'm going to stop here. Some cooking oil. With a few curry leaves, you can really feel a lot of difference in flavors. Okay. See, it smells really nice now. So I'm going to add in the red onion. Some sugar. About 1 tablespoon and a little bit more because this, I prefer it to be a bit sweet. And then the salt, Korean chili powder. I'm gonna just add a little bit. Okay, at this point, I'm going to add some tomato sauce. These are not tomato sauce, but tomato puree. So about 2 tablespoons first. And then don't forget the sweet chili. You can buy this kind of sweet chili paste everywhere. So sweet chili. Vinegar. I'm going to put about a tablespoon first to see how it tastes like. I'm going to add in a little bit of sake. Okay, as you can see, it's quite thick. I'm just going to give this a taste again. A little bit more soy sauce. add a little bit of water because it's very thick, yeah? So just a bit of water. Now, eggs. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this sauce. Very thick sauce. And just want to show this. Done. So now, most interesting part, the crayfish. Okay, cover this. So good. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how it look like, yeah? So this is crayfish. So last is to just garnish this.
In our next video, meet our friends who are professional in fishing. You will see how the Swedes spent the summer during the pandemic. We were being treated to a delicious lunch on the float. I will tell you why this lunch is the most delicious lunch I ever had. Maybe you too can do the same at home. We felt really spoiled on this day. It's like we were being treated as VIP. Even though the weather was not perfect, we did enjoy ourselves very much. You don't need to have a sunny day to enjoy yourself. I think for me, most importantly, I've learned a lot today. I've learned how to fish the right way and how to catch the bigger fish. Besides learning how to catch the bigger perch, I will also show you how to appreciate pike. The Swede doesn't like this fish because they find that the meat are so tough. In this video, I'm gonna prove to the Swede that this fish can be done the right way and it can be turning into a very delicious meal, for example, a perfect fish cake. I'm not trying to prove that they are wrong, but I'm just simply sharing my view about this fish and how we can appreciate or should appreciate them. And look, I've made so many fish cake and this should be enough for me for at least 3 to 4 meals. This summer has been really special to me. This pandemic has taught me many new things and I want to share my experience with you in this video. I hope you don't miss it. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.